Hello lovely crafters, welcome to today's crochet tutorial where we're making a stunning coaster. This cute creation is perfect for protecting your tables from drinks or adding a handmade vibe to your decor. It's even a great little gift idea. Whether you're new to crochet or a seasoned pro, you're going to love this project. I'll be with you every step. You can totally do this. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more crafting goodness. Let's get started. For round 1, we're starting with the magic ring. Work 8 repeats of a double crochet followed by a chain 1. That's double crochet, chain 1, 8 times. You'll have 8 double crochets and 8 chain spaces. What an awesome beginning. You're already on your way. Tip: hold off on tightening the magic ring until you finish this round. Next, for round 2, slip stitch into the first chain space to move up. Then, in each of the 8 chain spaces, work 3 double crochets, that's 3 double crochets, repeated 8 times. You'll end with 24 double crochets total. You're doing fantastic, this base is looking great. Tip: keep your stitches snug but not too tight for a flat coaster. For round 3, begin with a single crochet in the first stitch. Then, in the next stitch, do a slip stitch, chain 9 and another slip stitch into the same spot. Next, work 2 single crochets, then repeat slip stitch, chain 9 slip stitch. In the next stitch, 7 more times. Finish with a single crochet. Those loops are shaping up perfectly. You're amazing. Tip: keep your 9 chains consistent by counting as you go. Moving to round 4, we're increasing. Start with a double crochet increase. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch, followed by chain 3. Then repeat 2 double crochet increases, chain 3, 7 more times, and end with 1 more double crochet increase. You'll have 8 sets total. This is coming together so beautifully, you're rocking it. Tip: mark your first stitch to avoid losing your place. For round 5, start with a single crochet, then work a small cluster stitch. We'll call it K1, like a puff or mini bobble. In the first chain space, do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then repeat K1, 2 single crochets, K1, and that same double crochet sequence 7 times. End with a K1 and a single crochet. You're a crochet genius. This looks incredible. Tip: make sure your clusters pop by keeping the tension light. And there it is, your fabulous crochet coaster is complete. Isn't it just adorable? I'm so proud of you for following along. If you had a great time with this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share your finished coasters with me. I'd love to see them. Thanks for crafting with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!